peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got an unboxing for you from Diamond Art Club. So this is a super tiny one. It's not quite the smallest one I've ever had from Diamond Art Club, but it is certainly one of the smallest. I've had it sitting in my stash for a while, but it's still even in its plastic. And given that this is the canvas that I am planning to complete for July, I figured it was about time I got it out of its plastic. In fact, one of the things that I now advocate for is, even if you're not planning on completing a diamond painting straight away, do unbag it and at least check that everything's there, because otherwise you end up in a situation where you've had something in your stash for a while and then you go to open it and you realise that there's something missing, and maybe they don't even sell that anymore, or in worst case scenario, maybe that company doesn't even exist anymore. So enough of that. So we can see that it is round diamonds. We get the pink circle on the front of the box and the pink stripe if you're looking at it from sideways, and it is Black and White by Deborah Lewis. This is a teeny tiny painting by Diamond Art Club standards, but I think that's just what I need for this month. So we have our toolkit. I'll go through that with you in a second. That will be the old style toolkit. And we have our canvas and our sticker, and that is everything. Okay, so quick look at the toolkit, but as I say, this is the old one. I'll just zoom you in. So the older style toolkit, you still get absolutely everything you need. You get their cute little clear boat, 2 plates of pink heart wax. We get a 4-placer, one of my very favourites, and a great place to start if you are looking to multi-place. We get the blue pen and the squishy, which will provide you with a little bit more comfort. And we get a whole stash of baggies. So as I say, that is everything that you need. The newer style kits, you also get a cover minder, and you get washi tape, and there is more colour variation in the pens and I believe the trays as well. It's been a while since I've opened a new stock kit. So we also get the sticker. This is great if you want to store your boxes so that you can see the end. You can put the sticker over the end so that you can see what is in your storage. Alternatively, it's a great size for going in your logbook, and it's got all of the information on about your canvas. So we have that there, and then we have the canvas itself. As I say, this is the 30cm ruler. There you go. So that's how tiny this is compared to some of the absolute beasts that I've done. It comes in its dust jacket. Off. And now let's see. So we've got the canvas itself, which is a lovely soft backed canvas. It has a seared edge which will stop any fraying, and it is a self-flattening canvas, so it will, there's no ironing required. You don't need to leave it under a pile of books. It is ready to go straight away. We can see we've got our legend on the side. So here we've got just 16 colours and a mixture of alphabet and symbols there, and we've got our DMC codes at the side. Now this is a very clear canvas, you can see. Now there is a fair amount of colour changing that you're going to be doing on this canvas, but there's only 16 colours anyway, so it's not particularly something that I'm worried about. It's a very clear canvas. Symbols are very easy to read. I don't think there's anything that I'm going to get confused about. So let's have a look at these diamonds. And obviously there's not many for us to look at. It's a tiny little pack. Excuse the crinkling. So we have got one bag of 3865. This is the sort of off-white colour. We have got just one bag of 310, which is quite surprising. It is a chunky bag, but it's only one bag. We've got 939. That is your very darkest dark blue. We've got our AB here, which is the Diamond Art Club code of 125. So this is going to have that lovely iridescent coating on it. So for anyone that doesn't know, AB stands for Aurora Borealis, and that's representative of those colour shifting rainbow glitters that you get on top of those. We've got some greys here. We've got 415, 318, which is a blue here, 3841, it's a dark grey with a sort of slight blue, grey going into blue there, so E799, another grey, 414, 317, 413, love this shade of blue-green, like a turquoise colour, 597, 598, another blue there with 336, brighter blue, 312, and finally 3760. So just the one AB there making up our picture, and then finally we have our large sticker, which you can use in a logbook again, or wherever you just keep it if you want. And we've got our stickers here, which are pre-cut, so nice and easy to take off and put on your storage, your boxes, your jars, whatever it is you want to store your diamonds in. And we've got obviously only 16 of them, which, considering the painting I've just finished had 67, this is going to be so quick and easy by comparison. Yeah, so I am very much looking forward to working on this. It's one that, as I say, has been in my stash for a while. I have had a look on Diamond Art Club, and it is currently out of stock, but when it does give you, if you go and have a look, it gives you the option to put in your email and have them tell you when it's back in stock, which to me says that it's not been discontinued. I think it's certainly been a popular painting. At full price, it is $29.99. Before it went out of stock, it was in their 33% off sale at $19.99. So for a Diamond Art Club canvas, if you are an intermediate or a beginner who just wants to try maybe a higher quality canvas from a very good company, then you really can't go wrong with trying something like this, because it's not too big to be intimidating, but you are going to get an idea of the sort of quality that you're going to get with a company like Diamond Art Club. So I think I've probably said everything I need to say. If you are new to Diamond Art Club and want to try them out, I do have a discount code. I will pop that on screen now. That will get you $10 off your first purchase. That is for new customers only, and I do have an affiliate link in the description of this video as well, which, although it won't cost you any more money to use that link, it may help out me and the channel if you are to do so. Thank you for watching me do this unboxing. Obviously I will post updates on this, and you will see it completed towards the end of the month, if not sooner. So yeah, I actually can't wait to get started on this. I'm really excited. So yes, if you've enjoyed this and want to keep up with my progress and see what else I get up to on the channel, then please do consider to subscribe, leave a like or share the video. That really helps out the channel, and commenting is great for telling other people that this is a video worth watching. If you would like to support the channel in any other way, then I do have a Ko-fi and a Patreon where you can get some extra goodies from me should you wish to support the channel in that way. I will leave links, as always, down in the description. And I'm going to leave this here. Until next time, stay crafty.
Purchasing items like this to try wouldn't be possible without the help of my generous patrons. A massive, massive thank you to each and every one of you.